Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai condo maintenance fees. For those who are unaware, most Thai condos, most condominium complexes here in Thailand, they have what's called a juristic person. That's sort of the company, the entity, if you will, that maintains that condo. They maintain the common areas, pools, for example, tennis courts, depending on, the accommodations of the given condo complex. And then you've got maintenance fees. You have to pay sort of what sometimes are called common fees, common area fees, and those have to be paid. An issue that often comes up, and some clients I've found have real, it's like a pet peeve or a bugbear, if you will, that they have with respect to dealing with their condo is the timing. So some places do it on a yearly basis. It's just a one-off, they charge it once a year. Sometimes they do sort of a pro rata thing where they do it monthly. You can do monthly payments. Some places I've seen do it in quarters. It all just kind of depends on the internal regulations of the juristic person of that given condo. And I've seen folks that really hate doing yearly payments. I can remember years ago dealing with a young lady who was just constantly unhappy because, she was trying to calculate her monthly budget based on the fact that what her yearly fee would usually be, and then it was never quite right, and she was always having to deal with just a lump sum payment once a year, and oftentimes that lump sum payment can kind of feel financially, for some people, like passing a kidney stone or something, because it's a major chunk of money, because it's a year's worth of common fees, and it's all being dealt with at once, whereas if it was dealt with on a monthly basis, it could be kind of easier to deal with, a little bit easier to swallow. And then there are folks I've seen over the years that don't like doing it monthly, would prefer to just do it on a yearly basis. And then I've also seen places do it quarterly, and folks, I've never really seen anybody overly complain about that, but it's just a little bit of a different way to do it. Again, this can have ramifications, because if you fail to pay your condo common fees, there can be ongoing ramifications of that. You may have a lien, essentially, basically they can sort of garnish things associated with your services. They can you may have problems selling the condo. There's a lot of problems that can arise if you end up in arrears with respect to your maintenance fees. But yeah, timing of the payment of these fees, it can cause some real issues here in the Kingdom of Thailand.